Yingjun哥.
I am good.
You feeling any better now?
Hey, beautiful. I am totally into your eyes. So dark. Must be nice. Not like mine. Mine are blue.
I am Lin Mo, not that woman from earlier.
So pretty. Gorgeous.
And that wasn't a woman. Dude, man, you are completely wasted. Getting hammered the second we meet. Since when did you get this wild? I remember back then.
Whoa! You are my little cutie! Where did you go? I looked for you for so long. I checked everywhere. School. Home. By that tree. Down by the train tracks. I actually thought you were dead. You worried me to death.
Hey, Yingjun哥.
那是
No, stop.
You will say something. How can you be like this? You are crossed the line.
What did I do? Alright, I get it. My bad. Don't cry.
I love your eyes.
Not this again. Stop mistaking me for that fanboy. Keep messing around, and I am leaving. What are you doing?
A little kiss makes it totally worth it. It is rare to find someone so my type.
Do you even know what you are doing?
The wind is giving me a killer headache. Must have left the window open last night. Wait, does my place even have floor-to-ceiling windows? We were celebrating last night, and I drank way too much. Lin Mo is there too, but I can't remember a single thing after that. I think there was a girl with long hair. Guess I probably went home with that brunette. I am getting too old for this wild crap. If the kid finds out, I'll set a terrible example. Holy crap! What kind of woman lives in a mansion like this? Did I score a rich girl? Oh, shit! Ah! Why the hell is he the one sleeping next to me? What happened last night?
Yes!
Hey, gorgeous. Your eyes are stunning.
Are you hitting on me? Actually, they're just oversized circle lenses. Wanna try them?
You are not a salesperson, are you?
Would you mind if I came over to pitch them to you tonight?
Well, in that case, it might take you all night.
just plan on sitting there? Come hang out with us.
I really can't drink.
Give me a second. Back off, back off! A bunch of thirsty sharks. Let me go check on my kid. And make sure nobody's hitting on him.
Yingjun, wake up. Yingjun. Yingjun.
What am I thinking? If I actually laid a hand on my bra, I am a total monster.
Snap out of it!
So, what happened next? And then the two of us. What else did we do? Why does it feel like... I have a really bad feeling about this. This is a disaster. I didn't actually make a move on him, did I? No way. Impossible. Huh. Hold on. I am screwed. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way. No matter how shameless I am, I'd never cross that line with my little bro. Only one way to find out.
What are you doing?
I saw you barely had anything on, so I didn't want you to catch a cold.
You are worried I'll catch a cold, so you pull off the blanket.